tell you what IPL did for cricket is exactly what Test 20 will do for the younger generation.
टेस्ट 20 ये सबसे बड़ा चीज आपने लॉन्च किया, और जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि जिस दिन लॉन्च हुआ था, आई थिंक एबी डिविलियर्स का फर्स्ट वीडियो था, और उधर से ही उस दिन पूरे दिन ट्विटर पे डिस्कशन चल रहा था कि भाई क्या है क्या है क्या है.
Something just came to my mind. I said, what happens if you take the original traditional form of cricket, which is the Test cricket, and marry it with the latest form of cricket for the new generation, T20. Will the marriage work? I asked myself and I said, well, ho sakta hai. We can do something together. Then it sounded like, it's basically going to be 4 innings of 20 overs. So it's like a single day test. So ye create kar sakte hain. When I formed this, the first person I spoke to on the phone, which was 2 days later when I landed in India, was Sir Vivian Richards. So the legend of Test. Because I said, the only man who can shoot this down is the man who saw Test grow as a format. At the end of it, he just said something which I think is going to be a placard in my office. He said, Gaurav, with this format, you're going to teach the current generation how to defend. Because the current generation has forgotten how to defend. And this is the reality, because this generation has been born in the T20 generation. So for them, anything above 120 balls seems to be not cricket, right? And it was very important for this generation to learn the way cricket needs to be played. So starting from Sir Richard's conversation, it started out from there. And then, of course, in the journey, the first gentleman who joined me is, of course, one of the greatest names in world cricket. Probably the most popular international cricketer in this country, in India.
Sort of.
AB de Villiers.
काश मैं भी अगर 13 से 19 साल के बीच में, तो बाय द वे गाइस, ये टेस्ट 20 जो फॉर्मेट है, इट्स फॉर बॉयज बिटवीन 13 एंड 19 तक. तो हम लोग भी जब बड़े हो रहे थे ऐसा कुछ था ही नहीं. द क्लासिक वे कि अगर आपको जाना है तो आपको सारा स्कूल लेवल, फिर डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, फिर कोई क्लब में खेलो, फिर कोई स्पॉट करेगा, फिर जाके आपको रणजी के लिए चांस मिलेगा, फिर जाके ऐसा लंबा ट्रेन का सफर था.
बिल्कुल. सो टेस्ट 20 इज बेसिकली गोइंग टू शॉर्टन द जर्नी, लेट्स पुट इट दैट वे, बट विद अ लॉट ऑफ एम्फोसिस ऑन योर स्किल. इट इज नॉट अ शॉर्टकट टू सक्सेस, but it is a way in which you can move faster. So I'll tell you what IPL did for cricket is exactly what Test 20 will do for the younger generation.